everyone. Tonight for supper, I'll be making Savory Reuben Egg Rolls. What all goes into the Savory Reuben Egg Rolls? 12 egg roll wrappers, 1 pound corned beef, thinly sliced. You can't get anything thinner than the budded corned beef slices. 1 cup sauerkraut drained, 1 cup Swiss cheese shredded, 1/4 cup Thousand Island, plus extra for dipping. I hope I have enough. 1 egg beaten for sealing, vegetable oil for frying, and like I said, more Thousand Island for dipping. So let's begin. First thing we're going to do is we're going to heat up our oil until it reaches the temperature of 350 degrees. While that's heating up, we'll be making our egg rolls. Take an egg roll wrapper and put it on a clean surface, so I'm just going to have it on my cutting board. Make sure you have the egg roll with the corner facing you. Then take your 1 slice of corned beef. I think I'm going to put 2 just so it will fit. Yeah, see how thin they are? All right, so we're going to kind of overlap them like that. Then take a spoonful of sauerkraut, and I'm just going to use my fingers. My hands are clean. I don't want it too full because I want to be able to fold it. And then we'll take a sprinkle of the shredded Swiss cheese and a drizzle of the Thousand Island dressing. And then to roll them up, take this end. Okay, then we'll fold in the sides like so, and then roll it. And then take our beaten egg, put it on the last flap so it will seal, like so. Carefully add these in and cook them for 3 to 4 minutes. Cook them in batches. Let's check these. They are brown on both sides. You need to actually have them tighter than that so the oil don't get inside, but I didn't do that. And I'll finish making these. So here are the Savory Reuben Egg Rolls. Rounding out the meal is 4 cheese rice. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Dave says this feels really hot.
It is really hot. I just took them out of the oil.
This is for this?
It is.
That corned beef?
It is. Since the other day you said you wanted corned beef instead of roast beef. That is Savory Reuben Egg Rolls.
It's actually pretty good. I don't really like corned beef, so sometimes she likes to mess with me.
You don't like sauerkraut either.
I don't like sauerkraut either. And a Reuben is one of those funny things. It's got a whole bunch of stuff in it that I don't like, but when you put them all together, I like them. And actually, this is really good. I really like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.